Hey there, Cash App and Apple Pay users. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will show you how to add your Cash App card to Apple Pay, making it even more convenient to manage your payments. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, so one of the primary benefits adding Cash App card to Apple Pay is basically convenience, because when you link your Cash App card to Apple Pay and use it for contactless payments wherever Apple Pay is accepted, this includes physical stores, online shopping, and in-app purchases. So Apple Pay uses industry-leading security features to protect your transactions. So whenever you make a payment with Apple Pay, your actual card details are not shared with the merchant, reducing the risk of your card information being compromised. Okay, and also I just wanted to let you know that Apple Pay is secured really with Touch ID or Face ID, making it a highly secure and fast methods for authorizing payments. And Apple Pay uses also helps your digital wallet organized, because you can store multiple cards in one place, making it easy to choose the card you want to use for a particular purchase. Now, if you don't have an account on Apple Pay, I suggest you sign up, and this is the perfect opportunity, as well as to Cash App. Now, this is where we want to go when we want to add Cash App, the Cash Card to Apple Pay. All right. So open up your Cash App on your mobile device and let's follow along. So to add your Cash Card to Apple Pay, first you want to do is tap the Cash Card tab on your Cash App home screen right here. All right. Select Add to Apple Pay right here and follow the prompts. All right. Okay, right here. Add card to Apple Pay. That's it. All right. If you're still following. Now, to add your Cash Card to Apple Pay from Apple Wallet, all you're gonna do is open your wallet and tap plus. All right. Follow the steps, and finally, open Cash App to verify that your Cash Card has been added. All right. That's it. Okay, overall, adding your Cash App card to Apple Pay combines the convenience and flexibility of both services, offering a secure and efficient way to manage your payment, whether you're shopping in store or online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.